Yeah guys, today I'm going to show you this very interesting, super powerful hedge trimmer compatible with 20 volts DEWALT batteries, which has even some super special features. I got it for free from the seller to show you all the really nice details, but it's still my honest opinion because I would never claim something which is not true. So first I'm going to show you everything what's in the box, then we do a little bit of assembly, which is definitely not much, because most of it comes pre-assembled, and then of course I'm going to show you how it performs in real life. Of course the whole set comes also with an instructions manual which explains everything nice and clear regarding the assembly and even how to use it and even how to cut our hedges. And so here's everything what I got in the box. Of course here the main device with this really impressive 20.4 inches dual action blade, which offers a 2/3 of an inch cutting space capacity between the single cutting teeth. That's perfect for most of the normal cutting situations. The weight is only 5 pounds, about 2.2 kilograms, so it's definitely super lightweight, portable and easy to maneuver. The dual switch system with the trigger down here and the safety protection button, which we have to press at the same time, definitely help to improve the safety. And on top of that we have the 180 degrees rotatable handle. You can see, absolutely awesome. We can lock it even in this position or move it to the other side. We can even move it a little bit further, but locking is possible in 3 different positions, but makes it super comfortable in different situations. Regarding assembly, we get the screws and the tool, but there's really not much needed. From the front we have to push in the blade guard. Just slide it in here from the front. Very, very important to move the automatic oiler tube a little bit to the side, so you're not squeezing it. And now everything is perfect. We can slide it fully to the back and secure it with 1 screw on each side. And so we do it also on this side here. And then same thing with the front handle. Just align it on both of the sides and secure with screws on both of the sides. Important here on the front handle we have 2 screws. Of course that makes sense because we have a lot of weight here on the front handle. And so in total we need 3 screws on each side, and so we have even 2 spare screws. And so everything makes a really sturdy impression. You can see even this blade guard, much better and more sturdy than I've seen from some other hedge trimmers. And then of course we need some oil for the automatic oiling system. And so we can either use this fill bottle here, or of course also use a small bottle directly like this one here. Make sure that you're not overfilling. I'm using here some biodegradable DEWALT bar and chain oil, which I'm also using for my chainsaws. And so we can close this cap here. Yeah, everything makes a really good impression, and the reason why I'm using this paper towel here is because everything came already nicely pre-greased or pre-oiled here, which is definitely a great sign. But also everything else looks super sturdy, and so that took me only 5 minutes, and so we are ready to use it. We can also use these included gloves here, make also a good impression, not only super tiny size like with other hedge trimmers or other tools I got. They make a really good impression, really super sturdy, extra grip here. And then of course what we need is a 20 volts DEWALT compatible battery. For example, like this one here is not even an original one. As far as I know, pretty much all DEWALT 20 volt batteries are compatible. And so we just slide it in, give it a nice push here. And so let's do a first test if this works. Pushing the safety button, trigger button. Yeah, and you heard that, worked right away. And so we can use it easily here for trimming of some small stuff. Let's see how this works to the side. Yeah, definitely much easier. And we have the possibility to hold it 90 degrees rotated. Yeah, definitely also works for normal bush trimming. Yeah, really nice, clean, powerful cuts. Yeah, when I go a little bit closer with the camera, you can see how nice and clean it has been cutting, absolutely perfectly straight and super easy to carry. Just with one hand, you can see how nicely this is balanced. And so we are back here. Everything has been working really nicely. Of course, at the end, we want to remove the battery first, so we can check everything. Still absolutely looking great after cutting. And so we can store the blade back now into this protection here. Also a really nice thing. What I can see now, here's just a little bit of oil. Maybe I didn't tighten it enough. I don't know. We'll definitely clean it now and monitor over the time how it will behave. Wouldn't be good if some oil would go into the motor. Yeah, I think there's still some oil here inside. Maybe also then the small disadvantage that there is no viewing window for the oil here. With most chainsaws which have automatic or semi-automatic oiling systems, we have some possibilities to see the oil filling level. Here I couldn't see anything so far. I think there's really nothing, can't see anything on both of the sides. Tighten this thing here a little bit more. Yeah, maybe I didn't tighten it enough. Let's see now. I don't know if you can see that, but I can definitely see if there's oil here inside when I hold it like that. And now when it's more tight, I think there's no oil here flowing out of the container anymore. So it needed just to be a little bit more tight. That was it. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this hedge trimmer, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.